Welcome everyone. Now let's talk about the assignment operator and shorthand assignment operators. The assignment operator, it assigns the value from the right side operand to the left side operand. So every time if you want to assign a value or you want to update the value of the variable, you could use this assignment operator. You will place your variable operand on the left side and you will place the expression or value on the right side of this assignment operator. Then the expression or the value that you placed on the right side will be assigned to the variable operand that you have on the left side. Okay. For example, let's create a class for the assignment operator under the same under this package module 12. Please create a new class, name it assignment operator. And let me give couple variables first. Here's my main method to make this class to be runnable. And here, suppose that here I have this variable x which is set to 15. Okay. So if you do not change the value of this variable, if you do not reassign this variable, every time when you call this variable, you will get 50. Okay. And now, what if I want to make some change to this variable? Let's say I want to make sure that this variable's value becomes 20. Okay. Then I could use this assignment operator to reassign this variable x and assign 20 to it. And afterwards, after this statement, if I call this variable x, I will get 20. You see, I can assign a value to a variable, or I could also assign an expression. So for example, right now the current value of x is 20, right? I want to increase it by 5. So which means first I need to calculate x plus 5. X plus 5, this arithmetic operator, is going to return me a new value. I want this new value to be stored into this variable. So if I don't assign back this new value to this variable x, then my x value is still going to be 20. I have to make sure that the new value will be the value of this variable x. Therefore, I could use this assignment operator to assign this expression to the variable x. And after this statement, after line 15, next time when I call this variable x, I will end up getting 25. Okay, so this is the assignment operator that can be used for updating the value of the variable. And next we have the shorthand assignment operators. They are also known as the compound assignment operator. We have 5 shorthand assignment operator. We have the addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, and remainder assignment. You see, those shorthand operators, they do have the functions of the arithmetic operators, because we do have plus, minus, multiply, divide, and module, right? In addition, it also assigns the value to the variable. So it has 2 steps. First is the arithmetic operation, then it's going to perform the assignment operator afterwards. Okay? So which means if you would like to increase the value of a specific variable by specific expression or by specific value, you could just use this shorthand assignment operator. Okay? It is going to add the specified value to the left operand, and then it will update the left operand. And if you want to reduce the value, you could use this subtraction assignment. It will subtract the right side operand from the left side operand, and then it will reassigns this left side operand variable. Same as the multiplication, division, and remainder assignment operators. First, it calculates the arithmetic operation, and then it will update the value of the variable from the left side. Okay. So let's also do a couple more examples with those shorthand operators. Please create the new class under this package module 12 and name your class shorthand operators. Okay. The first shorthand operator that we have is the addition assignment operator. This is for, let's do the addition assignment operator first. Assignment operator, which is this operator, right? It can be used for increasing the value of the variable that you have. If I have this variable x, which was set to 5, okay? If you do not update the value of this variable, every time when you call this variable, you will end up getting 5. And if you want to increase the value of this variable by specific number, and at the same time you want this new data to be assigned back to the variable. So to increase the value of this variable, we could use this addition assignment operator. So all I have to do is I will put this variable operand on the left side, and then I will use this addition assignment operator to add the number 5. Okay? So the meaning of this expression here is x will be reassigned by the original value of x plus 5. So that's the meaning of this addition assignment operator. So now if I print the value of this x, it is going to print me 10 because we just increased it by 1. Okay, so this is the addition assignment operator. And the subtraction assignment operator, it is the opposite of addition assignment operator. Addition assignment operator, you can use it for increasing the value of the variable operand. And subtraction assignment operator, you can use it for reducing the value of the variable operand. So let's also give example with the subtraction assignment operator. Subtraction assignment operator. So the subtraction assignment operator is minus and assignment, right? So here, suppose that this time I have this variable y, which is equal to 10. And before I apply the subtraction assignment operator, if I print this y, it will give me 10. You see, the value of this y is 10. And I want to reduce the value of this y by 4. Okay, so which means next time when I print this y, it should give me 6 instead. So to do that, you could have reassigned this variable y by y minus 4. Okay, so what happens is it is first going to calculate this expression, which is 6, and then 6 will be assigned to the variable y. Then when you print this variable y, you will get 6. So there is nothing wrong with this way of solving this problem. But the shortest way is, instead of using this expression, I could have just applied this subtraction assignment operator to the variable y. I will put my variable y on the left side of this shorthand assignment operator, and then on the right side I can put the number that I want to decrease it by. I want to decrease it by 4, so I give 4 on the right side. So next time when I print this variable y, I will end up getting 6. So this is the subtraction assignment operator. And then next we have the multiplication assignment operator. Multiplication assignment operator. So it is going to multiply the two operands first, and then updates the value of the left operand. Then updates the value of the left side operand. So, for example, here I have this variable z, which is equal to 3. Okay, let me print this variable z to make sure that it is 3. See, we got 3. And if I want this variable x to be, the value of this x to be multiplied by 5. Okay, so which means the new value of this z should be 15, right? So instead of writing this expression, z will be reassigned by z minus 5. What I could do is, this is also the right way. What I could do is, the shortest way would be by using this multiplication assignment operator to multiply it to 5 and then assign it back to the variable x, to the variable z. Okay, so they both have the same meaning. except for this one is much more shorter than the other. And if I print this variable z, this time I will get 15. So this is the multiplication assignment operator. And then the division assignment operator. Next, we have the division assignment operator, which will divide the left side's operand by the right side's operand, and then updates the value of the left side operand variable. Okay. So suppose that here I have this variable a, which is equal to 12 right now. So when I print this variable a, I will get 12 now, since I haven't updated yet. If I want to make sure that this a's value is reduced by half, then I could have just applied this shorthand assignment operator to divide the a's value by 2 and then reassigns it to the variable a. So it divides the value of this variable a by 2 first, and then whatever the division result is, it is going to assign it to the variable a. That way the value of this a will be updated, and the new value of a will be 6, as you can see. So this is the division assignment operator. And the last one is the module assignment operator. Okay. Which first calculates the remainder of one number divided by another number, and then the remainder will be assigned to the variable on the left side of this operator. Okay. For example, here, suppose that I have this variable b, which is equal to 10. Okay. Before I apply this module assignment operator, b's value will be 10 now. And if I apply this module assignment operator to the variable b, and to assign the remainder of b divided by 3, let's say. So the remainder of 10b divided by 3, it is going to give me 1. Which means 1 will be assigned back to this variable b. Therefore, when I print this variable b, this time I will get 1 instead of 10. It's going to give me 1 as the value of b. Okay, so those are the 5 shorthand assignment operator. And when you use this shorthand assignment operator, there is one rule that you have to pay attention to. If the operand have different data types, the result is automatically casted to the type of the variable on the left hand side of the assignment operator. Okay, what that means is that if you give different data type on the right side of the shorthand operator, it will be casted to the new type. The new type that it will be casted will be same with the one on the left side. Okay, so for example, let me also give the example with the different data types. Suppose that here I have this int variable c, which is equal to 4. Okay. And the c's value, I want to increase it by, let's say, 20.5. Now tell me, what's the data type of this variable c? It is an int. And what's the data type of this variable, 20.5? By default, it is double. So our left side operand is int and right side operand is double. So whenever you have different data types, when you use any of those shorthand operators, the right side data type will be implicitly casted to the left side data types. So which means this one will be implicitly casted to the int because we have int on the left side. So right side operand is casted to the int, it becomes 20. Then 20 will be added to the variable c, which will give you 24, and then 24 will be assigned back to the variable c at the end. So now if I print this variable c, I will end up getting 24 instead of 24.5. Okay, because this one is implicitly casted to the int, since on the left side we also have an int. Okay. So make sure that you now have to use the shorthand assignment operator to update the values of the variables while you are performing arithmetic operations. And here are the operator precedence based on the operators that we have covered so far. At the number one spot, we still have the parentheses. Parentheses always has the highest operator precedence. And then we have the multiplication, division, and module. Okay. Then next we have the addition and subtraction. And as you can see, those shorthand assignment operator and assignment operator, they have the lowest precedence compared to those, right? And let's take a look at this one practice task now. In this task, item price will be given to you with the tax and quantity. You need to write the program that can calculate the total price of any item using the shorthand assignment operators. So for example, if the price of the item is 20.5 and quantity is 4, then at the end, the price should be 82. Okay? So if you buy 4 quantity of this item, which has $20.5 per item, then the total price at the end, it should be 82.0. And I don't want you to declare new variable. I just want you to update the value of this variable. And the last time when you print this variable, it should display the total price. So please create a new class under this package module 12 and name it total price. Okay. Here is my main method, and let me declare the variables price. Price could be some decimal numbers, so I will use double instead. So I will use double for the price. And here's our variable name, price. Suppose that this is the price the price of the item. And the quantity, for the quantity, we can always use int because quantity is always going to be an integer. Quantity, let's say it's 4. So if the item of the price is 20.5 and if the customer purchased 4 of them, which means now the price should be updated, right? So the price should be multiplied by 4, and then the multiplication result should be stored into the variable price. Okay. So after this step, if I print this variable price, it is going to give me 82, you see? And make sure you also test it with the different data. For example, if the price was 10, and if you purchase 5 of those, this item, and if the quantity was 5, then when you run the program, you see this time, you see I ended up getting 40. Why? Because here we do have a bug. The price is supposed to be multiplied by the quantity. Earlier the quantity was 4, yes. But if I pass 4 here, the problem is if the quantity is different number other than 4, I still have to change it later on from here. So the best thing to do would be by assigning the quantity, by multiplying it by the quantity, and then assigning it back to the price. So now if I run this program, if the quantity was 5 and price was 10, then the total price will be $50. I could also do this concatenation to make it more readable. You see, this is the total price task. Thank you so much, everyone. See you all in the next video.